So what if I told you that in just a few years, the software could design itself and write code and even improve without human input? Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, right? But here's the kicker. It's not the future, okay? It's happening right now as I speak. So developers, businesses, and entire industry faces new reality. Artificial intelligence isn't just a tool, but it's reshaping how software is built. But where does that leave human developers altogether? Are we being replaced or empowered? Stay with me. So what you're about to learn can change how you think about the future of technology. So first, I want to talk about just the evolution of software development, and then I'll dive into other, the future itself. So let's take a step back for just a moment. Software development has come a long way, no doubt about it, right? Early era, developers wrote every line of code manually, and I used to do that, right? Think of classic systems like MS-DOS or early Windows version, right? Yeah, I worked on those. So the internet brought large-scale software accessible globally, like Amazon, eBay, and social media apps were born. Now, cloud and mobile edge services like AWS, for example, Google Cloud, and mobile apps revolutionized the development speed and scalability. Now, we're entering into a new era empowered by artificial intelligence and automated development. Let's see what that means, right? So, next, what is next generation software development? That's the key. Now, the next generation software development is more than writing code. It's about reinventing the entire process. Think of it as moving from handcrafting everything part of the car to advanced robotics that build smarter and faster cars, right? The core pillars of next generation development are low code or no code platforms, and you're going to see those. Platforms like Microsoft Power Apps, for example, and Bubble-like, right? They create complex apps without almost no coding at all. For example, a small business builds its own customer management app in days instead of months or having to hire developers. Serverless computing is here already with services like AWS, for example, Lambda, and Google Cloud Functions. Developers focus on building applications while the cloud automatically handles infrastructure, right? Now, let me give you an example here. A food delivery app seamlessly during peak hours without crashing, right? Because it scales. Microservices, cloud-native development is here. So applications are divided into small independent services that work together when they're working, right? And this makes them flexible, scalable, and resilient at the same time. For example, Spotify uses microservices for its recommendations engine, right? User accounts and playlists all operating independently and perfectly in sync. CI/CD, continuous integration and continuous deployment, right? Automated testing and deployment pipelines keep applications updated and bug-free. Now, tools like Jenkins and GitHub Actions handle this automation, right? And it happens automatically. For example, Netflix rolls out multiple updates in a day without user ever noticing any downtime. And that's what DevOps engineers do. So what is AI in software development, right? How does that fit in? So AI is not just helping developers, but it's actually changing the game. Think of AI as super intelligent assistant that automates repetitive tasks, suggests solutions, and even writes code. Here's how AI is already reshaping software development. Now, AI-powered tools are revolutionizing development altogether. AI-powered code generation, for example, that you see coming up, tools like GitHub Copilot, Tab9, and Amazon Code Whisper, autocomplete code, and even build entire functions. For example, a developer building a chatbot can generate entire conversation modules in minutes, cutting weeks and weeks of time in just a matter of hours, right? So automated testing and debugging is AI-based platforms like Upload Tools and SmartBear automate testing and identify bugs faster than human teams ever could. For example, Facebook uses AI-driven testing frameworks, right, to keep its massive platforms running smoothly at all times. Now, intelligent project management, right? That also AI-powered tools like Jira Smart Assist analyze project data, predict delays, and optimize workflows. For example, a tech startup, right, meets product deadlines thanks to AI-driven task prioritization, okay? Now, smart code review is already here. Now, AI-driven tools such as T-code analyzing, they analyze large code bases, suggesting improvements, and flagging bugs that developers might miss. That's a biggie. Now, what about AI versus human developers? Is that a myth or reality, right? So is AI replacing developers or they're working with them, right? How does that work? The answer lies in collaboration. That's the take. So here's why developers and AI make a perfect team, by the way. So how developers and AI collaborate? Let me talk about that and tell you. So AI is a partner, not a replacement, by the way, so get that out of your head, right? So AI automate routine tasks while developers handle creativity, innovation, and strategic decision making. Now, let me give an example. Google Deep Lens optimizes AI server performance, saving millions in energy costs, right? While engineers focus on designing new features. Now, Research Insight, for example, a Stanford University, let me give you that. They found that AI-assisted development boosts productivity by 30%, allowing developers to build projects faster while maintaining high-quality code. Isn't that something, right? Now, let me give you a real-world use case. Now, Uber uses AI to calculate demand, optimize routes, and set prices while developers focus on enhancing the user experiences. Now, what is the future of software development? Where is this all going, right? Now, what does the future hold for this? Total automation, is it? Well, not quite, but the future is a world where AI and developers work side by side to develop smarter, faster, and more adaptive software. Now, what the future holds, by the way, okay? AI-driven development at scale. Now, by 2030, Gartner predicts that 70% of all new applications will be built using AI-powered development tools. Autonomous code generators, right? That's something to watch out for. Tools like OpenAI Codex have evolved into fully autonomous development platforms capable of designing and maintaining entire apps on their own. What about industry-specific applications? How does that affect, right? Now, healthcare, for example, AI-powered platform could create custom medical apps that adapt to patient needs, right? For example, talk about finance industry, right? They could build complex algorithms to detect fraud in real time. Hyper-personalization, right, is another area. So apps will learn and adapt to users continuously, just like Netflix does it, right? And they create tailored experiences on the fly in real time. Now let's take a look at the gaming industry and a potential impact on that, because all you gamers out there. So first, the gaming industry, right? What would happen? AI is revolutionizing the gaming industry by generating immersive worlds, realistic NPCs, and adaptive game logic. So procedural content generation. For example, AI-powered engines like Unity and ML agents create entire game worlds, terrains dynamically, even missions dynamically, right? Example, No Man's Sky generated over 18.3 trillion planets using AI-driven procedural algorithms. Now, real-time player adaptation is also changing. AI adjusts, is basically performs difficulty in terms of player, making games more engaging. For example, some games use AI to perform zombie attacks, right? And see how players are performing. Let's get back to the healthcare industry. AI-powered development is transforming healthcare also, right? From diagnostics to treatment planning. And that's important. Medical diagnostics, for example, right? AI-driven tools like IBM Watson help doctors diagnose diseases faster by analyzing vast amount of medical data on the fly. For example, AI detected early-stage cancer faster than human radiologists in a recent Harvard study. How about that? For example, drug discovery is another area, right? AI-driven platforms like in silico medicine, they design new drugs by simulating molecular interaction. The result is great because the discovery time has been cut from years to months. Now, patients monitoring in telehealth is another area. AI-powered apps like Ada Health provide real-time health assessment to mobile devices. Let's talk about again finance and banking. Let me give other examples. Is redefining the finance sector by improving fraud detection, automating customer service, and streamlining loan approvals. All automated, right? Fraud detection is big. AI-powered models analyze millions and millions of transactions to detect fraudulent patterns in real time. For example, PayPal saves billions using AI fraud prevention algorithms. And automated trading, that's stocks, mutual funds, or bonds, right? Platforms like robo-advisors execute stock trades faster than human brokers ever could. Now, same thing with credit scoring and loan approvals, right? You apply for a mortgage, so AI-driven make instant lending decision, enabling faster loan processing. Now that's all here. How about retail and e-commerce, right? So from personalizing customer experience to managing logistics, AI has transformed the retail world totally, by the way, right? So product recommendations is the area where it's focusing on. Platforms like Amazon and eBay, they use AI to recommend products based on browsing history and purchasing behavior. In terms of supply chain automation, AI-powered systems like Blue Yonder predict demand and optimize inventory management, right? Now, how about AR like shopping, right? It allows users to upload images and find products instantly. AR tools like IKEA, they let customers visualize, furniture in your own home. So a futuristic coder waves at the screen, waves dynamic, and there's a holocast, screen, dynamically in the back, right? So what will happen? Well, will the developers lead the AI, or AI is going to lead the developers? Well, it's the future about humans versus machines, or is it building something greater together? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you get the latest tech insights from Syed. Thanks for watching. Thank you for being with Claydesk, which is your latest channel for latest tech trends, updates, courses, and tutorials. I'll see you guys next time.